Doll, please.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this big old box from Amazon, and inside are the Shadow High twins. Normally, I would not buy Shadow High twins on Amazon because their skin is so white, any little mark will show up on it. But they were on sale, so I took a gamble. Okay, moment of truth. Well, we got the back first, so we gotta live in suspense a little bit longer. While we're here though, can we just talk about how amazing the back of this box looks? Because the artwork is amazing. Okay, ready for the grand reveal. Let's fingers crossed for good face-ups. Ta-da! I think we might have lucked out. We're gonna have to open them up to take a better look. I struggle enough opening one doll, so this will be exciting trying to get out two. Okay, so we got them out of one box, and now we can kind of take a better look. They actually, I mean, she's got some purple smudges on her forehead. She looks pretty okay. Everything seems fine. Shook at these boxes being fake. Okay, so 25 minutes later and they are open. I do not have the room in this room to open two dolls in one box at the same time. Here are their stands. One of them is like a little more purple. One of them is a little more blue. Barely a difference, but it's there. Here are their little combs. Same thing, Shadow High. One a little more blue, one a little more purple. Now, let's take a look at the girls. Purple is my favorite color, and I am living for this oil spill, purple, goth vibe that they both have going on. Her makeup is very rainbow on her eyeshadow, which is cool. I like that they have more color than the other Shadow High characters. All of the other Shadow High characters have been pretty much one color with like some slight variations in makeup, but she's got quite a bit going on. Her jacket is very, very soft. It's again that purple, green, blue color lined with this pleather and then soft material on the inside. Her under outfit is two pieces. It's like a little halter top and then a skirt with some studs all over it. She comes holding this cute little bag that has an S and an H on it. And look at those freaking nails. She does have some molded on rings. The shoes are probably my favorite part. They're this very cool mosaic looking, oil spill is not the right term to keep using, but it's the only thing I can think of. I don't know what this like pattern is called. She's amazing. Her hair is very crunchy, very stiff, but has a lot of colors going on. There's pink and teal and purple. I think a little bit of black in there as well. And here is girl number two. I know a lot of people are not a fan of the bubble gum, but I absolutely love it. I know a lot of people have ripped it out and then there's a hole in her mouth, but I'm going to leave it in because I'm a fan. She has this very cute spiky headband on, goes all the way over, and her pigtails have these little bows with some dark diamonds in the inside. Her makeup is the same colors and a lot of freckles like her sister. For her outfit, she has a jacket that is this purple and blue, and it has fake feather effect. Underneath, she has a halter. It has a lot of extra strings on it. I'm probably gonna have to cut off or just pull them out. She's got a cute little skirt with some sequins all around the bottom and these fake buttons and pockets. Her legs, she's got these very long thigh-high socks that are black pleather, and her heels are pretty freaking amazing. They are shimmery and spiky. They have a little buckle on the side, and her bag, like a little hoop bag with this black case on the bottom and then a bunch of spikes. I do think out of the two, she is my favorite. All right, so here are our girls. They only came with one outfit each, but they do have a lot of mix and match potential, especially with some of the other Shadow High characters that have like the darker clothes. Now, even though they don't have second outfits, you know we're gonna do some fashion shots, so stick around for those. Be sure you check out my Instagram at dollplease for some pictures of the girls. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.